Do you want to have team conversations that are limited only to specific team members? Rather than creating a new team, a private channel might be the solution. In this quick tip, we'll look at how to create a private channel in Microsoft Teams. A private channel is designed as a place where confidential conversations can take place and files are stored. Perhaps you're sharing financial information or personnel data. Although the use of private channels should likely be minimized, it can be a good option for some restricted communications, especially if you don't want to create a separate team for these conversations. We create it like a regular channel. To create a private channel, we'll simply go to More Options and choose Add Channel. The steps are the same as other channels within this team. The difference is changing the privacy. Here we'll change this to private and pick Next. I'd like to add both Lydia and Nestor to this channel. Now, a private channel can have different owners than the team, but all members in the private channel would need to be part of the larger team, whether they are owners, members, or guests of the larger team. We'll choose Add, and although they don't have to be owners, I am going to make them both owners of this private channel, whether or not they are owners of the team overall. And choose Done. Notice the lock icon on this private channel. This channel is only visible to the members of the channel. Other members of a team won't even see it in their channel list. This gives us an option to share private or confidential information or conversations. In this quick tip, you've seen how to limit conversations in a team by creating a private channel in Microsoft Teams. For more tips on being productive with Teams, visit thesoftwarepro.com/teams. If this training was helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.